Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I am back with another project share, and this one is a masculine mini album. I just thought of making an album which is perfect for males, especially. So this is very good for a male. It can be like your son, your husband, or friend, or anyone you would like to give this to. So I have finished it today itself. So this is it, and it measures 9 by 7.5, I guess. And so this is the front cover. You see, bits, lots of love this way, bits and pieces of life. And there's a vintage wagon there, some photo corners here, and that's the spine. The spine is very plain, and this is the back. So you can put a date on this plate here, and the album closes with a ribbon closure. So we open this up, and it's open now. So that's the first page. Now with this album, what I have done is alternately I have like done a page with mixed media, and the other one with the pattern paper and all on. So this is the first page, and on the cover I have made a see-through pocket, so you can put inside a lot of things, pictures, or maybe any memorable thing. So that's the first page, and I've made a pocket here, and inside is a photo mat. That's a tab, and a tag here, so you can journal on at the back. So this is like I have used a stencil and gesso on this part, and it really came out very nice. So I just love this technique, and that's a border here. So that's that. Now every page has a pocket also, so you can put pictures therein. So on the second page, like I said, one is mixed media and the other is on with the scrapbook paper. So this is the mixed media page, and there's a photo mat inside here, and this is open, so you can slide in your picture, doily piece, some mixed media, some stenciling there, washi tape here. I just love this washi tape. Just have a look, a closer look. So that's it, and that's a pocket right here and two photo mats. So I just kept this album very plain and simple, because we all know males don't like too much of like flip and flap and all those things. So I just kept it simple, very simple. Pocket here inside, and this is the next page. So here we go, some burlap piece, doily piece, and some washi tape and some stenciling. And here there's a belly band, and we have two photo mats inside the belly band, and a pocket again. This on this one, happy days are here. So some stenciling and the best of time. And on this page there's I just made two flaps on this side, which create some tension, and you can put inside your photos. And there's one photo mat already inside, and some paper twine, and a pocket here also. So we come to our 1, 2, 3, and fourth page, and this is the fourth one. Remember this moment, some burlap there, some stenciling, very nice plain, vintage plain drawing. I guess it's a drawing of a plane, and some burlap and photo mat here that says sweet, and it is like mounted on a chipboard piece. So here we have a pocket, and inside is a photo mat again, and there's a pocket here, and this is our fifth page. So there's again a vintage plane there, two photo mats, and a suitcase, some washi tape, and here again we have some corner pockets, and inside we have this photo mat and one more tag which says notes, and a nice little ink pen, and you can have some journaling on the back. So there's a pocket inside here, and that's the last one, and says happy smile, and the wings, steampunk type, and some burlap there. And again on the last page I have made the same pocket, see-through pocket, used an acetate sheet for this, and inside again you can keep some pictures and stuff. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for my next video because I'll be announcing the winner of my giveaway in my next video. Till that time, bye bye, take care.